What's up, guys? So I just rebuilt the projects feature inside of Clicks. By the way, it is totally unlimited now for any paying Clicks user. Add as many projects as you'd like. Here's how it works. So once we click into new project, it's going to take us to a login with Google page. Now, before that, we need to make sure that we have at least full ownership of the Google Search Console property that we're going to add to Clicks. So how we check on our permissions is we go over to Google Search Console, scroll all the way down to the bottom to settings, and then we check on our users and permissions. So the specific range of permissions, I believe we need minimum full permission, if not owner permission, to be able to add in that Google Search Console property. Once we have that set up, we're going to click on whatever email we're interested in, where we have that Google Search Console property, and then we can click on whatever website we like. We do have to go one at a time, but we can, again, add as many as we'd like. And now what Clicks is doing is it's pulling all the data that you have inside of your Google Search Console property, and it's helping you understand it way better. Now, the coolest thing about this is that this updates every 24 hours. So if we go back to our dashboard here, we're going to see we now have a mini live dashboard of how our website is performing in the last 30 days in comparison to the previous 30 days before that. So what we can see, the impressions have gone down, clicks have gone down, and average position have also gone down for clicks. Not great, but regardless, if we click on this full page here, we're going to have a lot of data that we can take a look at. So we have the same numbers that we just took a look at now, and we also have this very interesting graph. So we have clicks, impressions, and the position trend over the last 30 days. There's a specific value that I don't want to see. I can just click on that, and now I've removed the impressions from this graph. I don't want to see positions. Now I'm only taking a look at clicks over the last 30 days. So I can select exactly what I want to see on this graph, which is great. Next, we have top pages and keyword data. This is where things get interesting. Let's start off with top pages here. We have the top pages by clicks and by impressions. Sort with whatever metric you like, add in whatever filter you'd like. Here, I'm gonna add in ranking here, and I can export all of this, play around with this data, do whatever I want with it on my own time. Back to the overview here, we're gonna take a look at the keyword data. If we view more here, this is where things get really, really interesting, because what we can see here is the overall change of all of our keywords over the last 30 days. I also do want to add more time filters, so 7 days, 90 days, 180 days. We'll see about all of that. But for now, we can see how our keywords are changing over time. So it's sorted by clicks. So these are the keywords that are bringing in the most amount of traffic to my website, and I see what specific rankings and how those rankings are changing over time. It's also going to show me new keywords. So for example, how to know my website ranking. It's a new keyword, and I'm ranking 21st. So on the top of the third page, I believe. And then we also have here affordable SEO tools, great keyword, ranking around 18th, 19th on average. So this is great to see exactly how our keywords are performing over time. And again, this is refreshed every 24 hours. So we know exactly what's going on with our website. We then down here have two other mini reports, traffic by device. So for example, if I see that I have a lot of traffic from mobile, maybe my blog isn't properly optimized for mobile. So that would be a great reason to change that. And we also have the traffic by country. So we see USA is first, India, and then Great Britain number 3. So again, this data is updated every 24 hours. I am also going to be adding backlink data. I'm going to be adding a bunch more data. If you guys have any requests, any data you'd like to see that we can mix in with Google Search Console data, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.